Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this strawberry hat for our furry babies. So you can make it for your cat or dog and I'm pretty sure that they will love it. As you can see here, we have two styles of hat. First is without the strap and the second one is with the strap. Actually this is an optional and you can choose whatever styles you like. But these straps can help to keep the hat from slipping off easily. So let's get started. For this project, I'm using acrylic yarn and milk cotton yarn because I don't have acrylic in green and white color. Then a 4mm hook, a scissors, and a tapestry needle. First, make a slip knot or you can also use the magic ring. Then chain 2 and continue with 8 single crochet in the very first chain. We have finished the first round and now we will continue to the second round. Make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Next, chain 2. We will count this chain 2 as 1 double crochet. And now we will make double crochet increase. Repeat for 8 times. To make a double crochet increase, we have to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So in the end, we will have 16 double crochet. I will continue repeating this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. Now we have finished the second round and this is how it's supposed to look like. Next, we will make slip stitch in the chain 2 that we made at the beginning. We will continue to the third round. First, chain 2 and we will count this chain 2 as 1 double crochet. Next, we will make 1 double crochet increase in the next stitch. So in this third round, we are going to make 1 double crochet and then 1 double crochet increase, repeat for 8 times. So in the end, we will have 24 double crochet. I will continue repeating this pattern and we will meet after I finish this round. So this is how round 3 is supposed to look like, and now we will make slip stitch in the chain 2 that we made at the beginning. Now we will continue to the fourth round. First, chain 2. Again, we will count this chain 2 as 1 double crochet. Continue with 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then make 1 double crochet increase in the next stitch. So for this round, we are going to make 2 double crochet and then 1 double crochet increase, repeat for 8 times. In the end, we will have 32 double crochet. I will continue repeating this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. Slip stitch in the chain 2 that we made at the beginning. Now we have finished round 4 and we will continue to the 5th round. For the 5th round, first chain 2, we will count this chain 2 as 1 double crochet. Then continue with 5 double crochet. Next, I'm going to make 12 chain because my cat has such a big head, or chain 10 if your cat has small to medium head. Next, we will skip 6 stitches and continue with 8 double crochet. Start from the 7th stitch. Continue with another 12 chain. Next, skip 6 stitches and make 6 double crochet. Start from the 7th stitch. After that, make slip stitch in the chain 2 that we made at the beginning. If you are unsure with the size of the head, you can let your cat or dog to try it like so, and make sure that it's not too tight or too fit for their ears, so their ears can stay relaxed just how it fits to my cat in this video. Next, we will continue to the 6th round. First, chain 2, and we will count this chain 2 as 1 double crochet. Then for this round, we will make double crochet increase in every single stitches and chain. For the chain, we will only work in one loop. This will make us easier to work with. And this is how it's supposed to look like. I will continue repeating this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. And this is how round 6 supposed to look like after we made double crochet increase around in every stitches and every chain. Next, make slip stitch in the chain 2 that we made at the beginning and we will continue to the round 7. Start with chain 2. We will count this chain 2 as 1 double crochet. Then continue with 1 double crochet increase in the next stitch. So for this round we are going to repeating this pattern, which is 1 double crochet and then 1 double crochet increase until we reach the end of the round. I will continue repeating this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. After that, make slip stitch in the chain 2 that we made at the beginning and we will finish it off with chain 1, cut off the yarn and fasten off. We have finished our head and now we will continue to make the head strap. To make the strap, we have to fold the head up like so. Then look at the chain part because we will make the strap in this chain part. Then turn around the head and we will work from behind. First, attach the yarn and then make 30 chain or as long as you need. After that, cut off the yarn and fasten off. We will also do the same step in the other side, so in the end we will have 2 straps. We will also make a little knot here and then weave in ends the tail so it will look neater. And this is how our head looks like after we finish all the 2 straps. Now we will continue to make the leaf and then add the seeds detail. To make the leaf, first make a slip knot or a magic ring. Then chain 3 or chain 2 if you use the magic ring. We will count this chain 2 as 1 double crochet. Continue with 9 double crochet in the very first chain, so in the end we will have 10 double crochet. After that, slip stitch in the chain 2 that we made at the beginning. We may have a little loop in the center like this, but we don't have to close it up because we will use it for the stem. Now we will continue to the second round. First, chain 4. Then slip stitch in the second chain of the hook. Continue with 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Now we have our first little leaf, and then make 2 slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. We will continue repeating this pattern for 4 more times, so in the end we will have 5 leaves. I will continue repeating this pattern, and then we will meet after I finish all the leaves. We have finished all the leaves, and now we will continue to make the stem. First, turn our work and then make slip stitch in the first round. Then chain 5. Start from the second chain of the hook, make 4 slip stitch. Finish it off with chain 1 and then cut off the yarn, but leave a long tail for sewing. And now we are going to get this stem out through this little loop. So this is how the leaf is supposed to look like, and now we will continue to sew it on the head. First, we will make a little knot and grab a tapestry needle. Then place the leaf on top of the head and make sure that it's in the center. Now we will start sewing. And now after we finish sewing the leaves, we will continue to add the seed details using the white yarn. Finally, we have finished our head, and I'll show you how it looks like on my cat letter after I show you all these details. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And if you have any question, just leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to tag me on my social media if you make this hat. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. And here is a special clip of my cat wearing his hat. I'm sure he looks super unpleasant because I literally woke him up from his nap to take this video. Anyway, have a nice day and happy crocheting!